Hello everyone, on this video I'm showing you my other idea to make the table centerpiece by using the pearl and other accessory. First of all, we need to cut off a small piece of this PVC board as the base of the centerpiece. Of course, you can cut the wooden board. Okay, we cut off the board. And the following, we need to drill 3 holes on the board. I already marked the record on the place we need to make the hole. I use this tool to mark the record so the distance between each other are the same. Okay, the base almost complete. Now we install the pole. Very simple. Take a slide, put it on the hole. Okay. And then put on the pole. Also, another slide. Then use this screw. Screw them tightly. Look, this is the effect after we install the poles to the board. Look at the back side. The following, we need to install the floral foam because we will decorate with some flowers and install a plank for the candle. Look, finally, I make 3 slices. This is cut with KT board, the soft board, and 3 floral foam. Then let's install them together. Okay, completed with the assemble. The plank for the candle and the floral foam for the flowers arrangement. Then the next step, let's just insert the flower on the foam will be okay. Take our flower head and the saucepan. If the saucepan long, you can cut it off because the floral foam is small. Look, completed with the small flower rest on the place of the candle. About the base of the centerpiece on my original design, it should be made into gold, like this board. Use the gold wallpaper and adhere the paper to the ball to make it go like this. If you are interested to the step-by-step tutorial about how to make the ball like this, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, finally, I didn't make this ball into gold color because I do not have enough budget to buy the gold wallpaper and stick on this ball. So I have to try another ways, like put a floral foam and insert some leaf and flower on the foam. And then let's check if that would be too much. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Is it too much? But I think they come out not bad. Anyway, let's set up the table. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Do you like this idea? And for your information, we surprise all the material used on the video, exclude the LED candle. If you are interested to order, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the links to my page from the information field below this video. Okay, let's zoom in to check the detail. Look, the flower rest. Just insert the flower on the foam. You can paint the base into gold color by instead to make it simple. Look, the small flower rest. Luckily, I have some wallpaper left, so I make the base into gold color. Let's check the effect, so that we don't have to make our design so much complicated. Look, this is the effect. Which one you like? Let's zoom in for the detail. Please do me a favor by thumb up, share, and comment on our video, so that I can get revenue from YouTube to buy more material and take more video. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye.